guys, so we're in the bathroom today. I'm doing the shower tiles, get that done, so I'm get the plumber back to fit all the toilet and basin and the shower head and valves and everything else like that. Got the tiles sort of laid out here in some shape. Cut one already yesterday, just to see how they cut. It's alright. But yeah, so we'll get this done and then hopefully I'll have the new saw blades for my skill saw to cut the worktops. I was going to get some guys in to do the worktops for me, but apparently the guys that did my kitchen, who I asked, they don't do the worktops themselves anyway. They actually use a guy in Kosica or somewhere like that, who does all their cuts. So rather than paying like, I don't know, for a decent one, 200, 300 euros for a worktop jig for the L-shape joins, I'm just gonna do a straight cut join with a joining strip. It's a cheap kitchen anyway, so to be honest, I can't see it being here for much more than 5 years from the quality of it. So yeah, and at a later date, Fred's mum might move into this one to downsize, so she'll get a nice, probably custom kitchen put in here at a time. So, well, I'll probably be doing that as well for her. Family builder. But yeah, so today's more tiling, joys, 100mm tiles, so nearly every single tile's got a cut in it, but it is what it is. It'll get done. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on. Enjoy the videos, guys, and if you do, give us a subscribe. It'll be pretty sweet to boost the numbers. Let's get on with it. So it's the next day, and I had to pop out, get another trim, because I was going to do a nice little like mitered join on the corner here. But no matter how much water and how careful I've been, the smallest chips stand out so badly on these tiles because there's like a white base coat underneath the black tile. So any little chip, anything that like maybe a little bit off centre on the grinder, maybe anything, and it shows up like a mile off. So I chose to get another bit of trim from Ivy, which was fun because it's bloody freezing and we've had a lot of snow. This is the most snow I've seen out here, and yeah, it's probably the worst snow I've had driving. But just done a load of cuts and the gold for the for the last bit, just around this side here to finish that bit off, and then once I've done that, I'm going to run the last 4 tiles on this bit of wall here, and I know where to finish filling this to that. Then it can be painted and then be finished finally. But yeah, it's starting to come along. If I have much more tiling to do over here, I think I'm going to invest in a bigger wet cutter rather than using an angle grinder, because it's just it's great for little cuts and little bits, but when you're standing bent over trying to cut it straight, it's a pain in the arse. But yeah, it's just going to crack on, get it done.